Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the video filter standard. Before starting, select a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset video. Select the type of social network you target. Select the video filter standard. You can see a preview of your final video. Trim parameter allows to change the duration by trimming the 360 video. Use the vertical sliders to change the start and the end. The preview automatically updates according to the slider you are using. You can also use the round slider to move the trimming. Use the camera view parameter to choose which part of the 360 scene you want to reframe. To do this, use the blue button with the round arrow. Slide the screen to move the camera. Use again the blue button to lock the camera. You can play the preview by using the play button. Click again on the screen to pause the preview. You can also use the slider to seek in the preview. Now, you can export the final video. Use the button in the top right corner. Your video is saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 content in the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.